This is Great Pulteney Street here in the city of Bath. Designed by Thomas Baldwin, 1789. It is 300 feet long, 30 feet wide. That's 100 metres by 10 metres. Widest street in Bath, wide enough to turn a coach and 4 horses. One of the residents here was Louis Napoleon III. As Napoleon, he was the Emperor of the Second Republic in France, and here he was living at number 55 during part of his exile. Although it's the widest street in Bath, the shortest street in Bath comes off the side of it. Sunderland Street, to our right there, only has one address. And if we pan over here, this is Sydney Place, and over there at number 4 lived Jane Austen from 1801 to 1806. And then over here, the former Sydney Hotel. The Sydney Hotel opened in 1799, but by 1916 it started to house the collection of the Holborn family and became a museum of art, porcelain and other artifacts. But for fans of Bridgerton, this is Lady Danbury's house. It is a Bridgerton film location. In fact, there's several more in Bath, but I'm showing you this one now. So you see it in episode 1, where the Duke, Simon Bassett, Duke of Hastings, pops in to see his friend Lady Danbury. And behind this is Sydney Gardens. Sydney Gardens and the Sydney Hotel, named after Viscount Sydney, Thomas Townsend, who also gives his name to Sydney, Australia. But for fans of Bridgerton, a Bridgerton film location, the Holburn Museum in Bath.